In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore the old Google Chrome style. It's no secret that every now and then, Google Chrome updates its look and feel. While these changes are intended to improve user experience, not everyone finds them appealing. Fortunately, there's a way to bring back the classic look of Google Chrome, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. Open up your web browser and, in the address bar, type or paste in google.com to go to Google's homepage. This is the easiest way to get started on this journey back to the old style because it provides a great point of reference for what's to come. Once you're on Google's homepage, you might already start feeling a little nostalgic as you're about to learn how to navigate these familiar digital waters. Our next step is to type in the search query that will lead us to the necessary resources for reverting to the old design. Keep your search simple and direct. Something like how to get old Google Chrome style should point you in the right direction. Hit enter and you'll likely see a list of links that can help you achieve the look you're going for. Once you've completed your search, scan the results for a credible source or guide that can provide the detailed instructions you need. There are numerous forums and community posts out there, but always aim for a trustworthy site to avoid any unnecessary complications. These guides are often created by other users who share your sentiment about the newer design changes and have developed methods to return to the previous style. One common method you'll find involves installing a browser extension or altering specific settings within Chrome's own configuration. Before you proceed with any major changes or installations, it's a good idea to do a bit of research to ensure that the solution is both safe and effective. Always review user ratings and comments when considering a browser extension for this purpose. Once you've selected a guide or extension to follow, carefully adhere to the outlined steps. This may involve downloading an extension, visiting the Chrome Web Store, or making adjustments in Chrome's flags. Those hidden settings you might not know about but can be very powerful. Follow the instructions exactly as they are provided to avoid any errors or mishaps. Finally, after successfully completing the process outlined, restart your browser to see the changes take effect. You should now be greeted by the classic Chrome look that you've been missing. Enjoy the simplicity and familiarity, and remember, while updates can be beneficial, it's always nice to have the option to hold on to the designs you love. So, there you have it, the roadmap to getting back your favorite version of Chrome. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be more than happy to help. Until next time, happy browsing.